Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Orcatorch D560-GL. So this is basically an underwater laser pointer. So this has a few benefits. One, it's much easier and safer to point out objects to kind of draw your buddy's attention to them. One, because if you don't want to get too close to something, if there's a lot of current and you're going to risk kind of bumping into coral or something, you don't want to get too close just to point something out. But with this, you don't have to get close at all. This, they say, can actually penetrate water up to 1,000 meters because it's a laser, it's a green laser. Very focused, it's going to penetrate through water very, very effectively. It's waterproof down to 150 meters as well, so you never have to worry about it. It's got double O-ring seal on the inside. This is powered by a single AA battery. It comes with 2 in the box, but you can also buy separately a 14500 rechargeable battery, and that should fit in it as well. So very easy to use. You just twist the head to activate it, and it creates a green laser. So this, of course, is really eye-catching. This is going to catch your buddy's attention. It penetrates really, really well kind of in the water. So if you want to sort of draw your buddy's attention to something, it's actually really effective. And it means that you don't have to get too close to anything. If something's venomous or dangerous, you don't want to get too close to it, then you can sort of point it out from a distance. If something is kind of buried in coral, you don't want to get too close to it, or if there's a lot of current, then yeah, you don't want to get too close to something and risk breaking either the coral or your gear. So you can just point it out with a laser pointer. Obviously don't shine it in people's eyes because it's a laser pointer, it's still going to hurt. Don't do it with a fish neither. You can just kind of circle them. It really draws your buddy's attention, and it fits in any pocket. You've got 2 little attachment points, so you can attach a D-ring, sorry, not a D-ring, a clip onto that, clip it off onto a D-ring. It's just going to sit there nice and quietly, or you can stow it away in a pocket. It's not going to take up any space whatsoever. So a very smart little gadget, very useful for sort of communicating with your buddy, trying to draw your buddy's attention to something. This is the Orcatorch D560 Laser Light. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.